What's the meaning of biotechnological? Biotechnological. Biotechnological.
Biotechnological. Biotechnological. The term biotechnological refers to the application of biological and biochemical principles, as well as engineering techniques, to the development of products and processes that improve the quality of life or enhance the performance of living organisms. This includes everything from the development of new drugs and vaccines to the genetic modification of crops for increased yield and resistance to pests and diseases. Biotechnology also plays a crucial role in environmental remediation, such as the use of bacteria to break down pollutants in contaminated soil and water. Overall, biotechnological advancements have the potential to revolutionize the way we live and interact with the world around us.